Hello and welcome. Good evening, guys. My name is Nikhil. For the people who don't know me, tonight is a very good night for me as I've got a job and I'd like to show you around my workplace and my desk. I hope you guys like it. I'll particularly try to talk to my colleagues as well. So let's see how this night goes. Cheers. So guys, hi. This is me again. Since I told you that I'll particularly show you my workplace and my work desk, so I'm here. Let me show you my workplace and work desk. So this is my workplace, guys. As you can see, this is my workplace, and I'm gonna show you my work desk now. So this is my work desk, guys. I work as a delivery partner for Zomato, and this space which you particularly see right now is called the waiting area, where all the particular people come and they stay here for quite a while, and then after that they get orders. They move ahead from this place to the particular place where they need to deliver it. So this is gonna be my first day, and let's see how it goes, guys. Cheers. So guys, as I told you that I'm gonna be talking to my colleagues as well. So this is my first day, and these are my colleagues. Hi भैया, this is Nikhil. Hi.
ऑर्डर आने वाला है अभी.
ऑर्डर आने वाला है, हाँ. और भी आप कैसे हैं? बढ़िया. भी आप कैसे हैं? बढ़िया. So as you can see, guys, this is the workspace area, and we're gonna wait here for quite some time, I guess, up until the order arrives. There's the KFC. If you want to eat something, go eat it. Or better, order online. We are gonna deliver it to you. Stay inside, stay safe, guys. And this guy has already got the order, so he's gonna go. Bye bye. And bam. So tomorrow is Diwali. So guys, hi. Since I was not getting any orders there, I've come to a different place, and this is the different place. This is called Al-Aziz. As you can see, this is a very good place. I can't go in because I'm on my duty, so yes. So I'm gonna wait for another 5 minutes or a couple more minutes here till I get my order. And if I don't get my order here, I'm supposed to move around some other place, because since I'm not getting any orders here, so I'll move around to another place and try to do whatever I'm supposed to do and try to get any orders, guys. Cheers. Guys, I've got my first order. Cheers to me and cheers to the guy who ordered. So I'm gonna go around from this place to the next place, and let's see what's the order is. And I need to do it fast, yeah, because there's a clock time going on, guys. So yeah, let's do it. So guys, yeah, I've got to go to my first order. I've got it. It's near to this place, so let's go to that place. Cheers. So guys, I've got my first order. I don't know where I'm going. The place is like Arjunda Dhaba, so I'm trying to find it out. And if I find it out, I'll go there and pick up my order, guys. So I'm gonna go to the place. I don't know where it is. I'm trying to find it out. So let's see if I find it out, right? Guys, so I've arrived at the location. This is the location, as you can see. This is Arjunda Dhaba, and I'm supposed to pick up my food from here. So let's see what we have. I roamed around quite a place a little bit because I didn't know where it was. So here I am then. Now let's see what we have for the food, guys. So guys, I'm already at the spot. This is Arjunda Dhaba, and you can come here to eat good food. And they've got a very nice space to sit, as you can see. So this is the place where people sit, and this is another particular place. So let's check this place out. So yeah, this is the family dining restaurant, and it's near TI Mall. So this is the place, guys, as you can see. There are some tables here. There are gonna be some other tables here. Let's see what we have. We've got one order, one item, and that is one paneer butter masala, and that is to some guy named Manish. So cheers, Manish, for ordering. And this is gonna be my first order. Since it's like completed, guys, so I'll have to go. Bye bye, cheers. Sorry भैया, पहला दिन है ना, पता नहीं है. Hi तो बोल दो. Hi. So this is the guy. He's the manager, I guess, here. And this is the tape we put in onto that. So we've got the taping as well. अब मैं जा सकता हूँ क्या? Thank you भैया. Pick up, हाँ. मैं पिकअप दबा दिया हूँ गाइस. So this is gonna be my first order. Let's do it quite well, I guess. So if you wanna come to this place, this is Arjun Da Dhaba. Good place. So cheers guys. Let's go to the place and deliver the food. Got the food guys. This is the food inside the bag. Let's switch it up, right? So guys, I'm on with my order and I'm hitting the roads. As you can see, let's go guys. I just crossed past another guy who was working for Zomato as well. So I'm gonna get to my location as soon as I can and deliver the order guys. Let's see what happens. This is my first delivery. I'm really excited. So guys, as you can see, I've arrived at a dead end. Let's try to find somebody who can help me here. भैया कोई है क्या? No guys, there's nobody here and I'm at a dead end. So I suppose I need to move from here. Let's move then. So guys, I've arrived at the particular order location. I need to just find out from where I can get to that place. So let's see. That's the particular left, I guess. So that's my way. Okay guys, so I've delivered my first order. Now I need to get back to my bike. I can't find it. I parked it here only. So okay, I found my bike. Now I need to go to the next order if I get any, because I was very late to this order because I got lost in the time. So this is the place guys. Not this place, the house was nice. The lady treated me well. She said thank you. I was like cool. So let's move ahead to the next order guys. Cheers. So guys, hi. I've got my second order and this is from this place. This place as you can see. And I'm gonna get it to the guy. I'm gonna wait for like 9 to p.m. till 9 to p.m. because that's the wait time I've got. And I got lost in the particular way, the other way, the first order which I got. Google Maps can't be trusted guys, can't be trusted, but it was my fault because I didn't see the address quite well. So I got messed up there. So yeah, I'm at the next place. So let's see what we have here. And till that I'm gonna show you. So guys, this is the second place where I am and we're gonna talk to the guy who's got this place, a very nice place. Let's check this place. So hello Bia, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Hi. So you've got a very nice place here. So when did you start this place?
Basically, we have started the place just 1 year before and we have started the business 3 years ago.
Okay, so you've been into this business for 3 years.
Yeah, when
And-
we are doing our engineering now,
Okay.
we have been here for 3 years.
Okay, so you've been doing this thing while you were
Yeah.
at your engineering classes also. So that is a very good thing. So what's your good name here?
Anshuman Yadav.
Anshuman Yadav. So guys, as you can see, this is the guy, the owner of this place. And this is a very nice place, as you can see. We've got a lot of posters here. And it's just on the particular road, which is like a very major road. So you can come here any day. And this is meal for you guys. Sir, can you please tell me more about your business?
Yeah, basically, it's a meal producer, healthy meal prep company. It's the first in itself in Chhattisgarh. We
Yes.
are providing healthy meals as per your diet, as per your goal.
Yes.
We are providing different meals as per your body, as per your body calories.
I need to have those meals,
Yeah.
I guess. I'm really fat right now.
Basically, you can get it. We have a fat loss plan, we have a muscle building plan, we have a different plan.
Yes.
We have monthly plans, we have weekly plans. You can subscribe it.
Okay, so once I subscribe it, so
You can subscribe for a week, you
Okay.
can subscribe for a month,
Okay.
either for or quarter.
Okay.
It's upon you.
okay,
The
so
basic monthly subscription meal starts from 3600.
Okay.
And the weekly plan starts from 999.
okay, so that is going to be a very good thing, I guess. That is a very good initiative because I haven't seen any places in Chhattisgarh like this, and you've got a very pretty place. Like it's very beautiful and all. It's like very compact, guys, and it's like very efficient.
We
So
have our own delivery boy. They
Okay.
go to your home daily.
okay, so can you please tell me your number? I'll just put it in here. So
Sure.
like here,
Sure,
sorry,
sure.
on there. So yeah,
So my number is 831
831
945
945
4126.
4126.
You can contact. You can also check out our website.
Okay, okay,
It's meal for you.
okay, yes. So guys, a crazy thing happened right now. I met a girl and she has been doing this job for like 2 years now, and she guided me quite well to the next location because since I was like not very efficient getting to the first one. So guys, I'm at the location and I've called the customer, but he's not picking up for some reasons, I guess. So I'm gonna just wait. I guess a lot of my time is gonna be like this, waiting for our loyal customers. So yes, this is what we're gonna do, guys. We're gonna do waiting. I've waited a lot on dates, you know, so it's like a good pastime for me. I know how to wait. Yes, I know how to wait. So a fun thing has happened with us, guys. I'm ordering my order to a very good friend of mine. He's Yash and he's here. So let's order my second order है bro. पहली बार इधर ये हाँ yes yes vlogging कर रहे हैं. Hi बोल दे vlog के लिए. So this is Yash. He's my very good friend and I'm really glad to order it for you bro. So it's gonna be my second भाई पहला दिन आज तेरे भाई का और दूसरा ऑर्डर. भाई ने बहुत हेल्दी फूड ऑर्डर किया है. So गुड गोइंग. उस बंदे ने बोला मेरे को कि भाई बहुत हेल्थ कॉन्शियस है और मैं बहुत मोटा हो रहा हूँ, तो उन्होंने बोला कि इट्स अ वेरी गुड फूड. So I'm gonna go to the next order. Say bye bye Yash to all our viewers. So bye bye Yash. Nice to meet you again, bro. So guys, I got my second order for this day, and that particular order was ordered by my very good friend Yash, and he was very surprised to see me doing this because I don't know why people get surprised. Yeah. So cool. So let's wait for the third order. I'm waiting here. It's gonna be around 9:48. So I'll be waiting around here till 9:48, and then I'm gonna go get the order, and then I'm gonna go get it delivered to some girl named Muskan. So hi Muskan, welcome to my channel. Let's meet. So cool. Bye bye. So guys, my next order is gonna be from KFC, which is right behind the particular road. So I'm gonna wait up until then. I'm gonna wait until 9:48, and then I'm gonna go pick up the order, and then I'm gonna deliver it. So till that time, all that time is mine. So I can do whatever I want. I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna drink some tea, and I just. That's what happens when you're talking to somebody on a phone and you don't have your attention to where you're stepping on it. See, guys, see. I'm gone. So I'm gonna do it. Sorry, bro. Say hi to my vlog. Say hi to my vlog. Hi. So he saw me cutting that cake. So I have happy birthday to me. And he's laughing, bro. So he should laugh because like, yeah, cool. So I'm gonna wait until the time I have to go get the order. And then I'm gonna do it. Cool. Bye bye. I've arrived at the location, but there's nobody here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait and I'm gonna call that guy. This is my fourth order for the day, so let's hope I can get some more orders. Cool. Hi guys. So this is my fourth order for the day. First day, fourth order, and I'm with the customer who was ordered for it. So hi. Hi.
Hello.
Hi. So how do you like ordering from Zomato?
Yeah, it's amazing
It's
because,
like food.
like it's very easy.
Yes, yes. So how long have you been ordering from Zomato?
I think about 2 years now.
Okay, you've been ordering for 2
Yeah,
years.
yeah, because I'm a BG student, from Indore.
Okay, Indore.
So I
So
order there frequently.
okay, so where were you in Indore? I guess
Like in Vijayanagar. I'm studying in
Vijayanagar.
Symbiosis Indore.
Symbiosis Indore. So yeah, Symbi. Yeah, nice, nice, nice. My brother has been into the Pune campus.
Okay.
So yeah, he was doing MBA there.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm really glad to serve you with this
so much.
delightful meal. And here's your Pepsi
Thank you.
for the day. Thank you, sir. Thank you for ordering from Zomato. Thank you. So guys, this is my fourth order for the day. This is my fourth order for the day, and let's see if I can get more orders. Cool. Yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Hey guys, so I've just delivered my 4th order. I've got my 5th order, and these guys are like barking too much. Bro, shut the hell up. I can't cuss right now, so shut the hell up. I'm gonna get to my next order, which is gonna be my 5th order for the day. I'm gonna do good right now. Like that other guy was like really sweet. He greeted me very well. I told him the idea about the vlog, and he was like very appreciating me for that. So let's see, guys, the 5th order. Let's do it. Take care. Okay, guys, so I'm back again. This is my 5th order for the day. Day 1, 5th order, and I'm at Lassi Corner. As you can see, this is the Lassi Corner. So I'm at the Lassi Corner, and I'm gonna deliver the order to the guy who ordered it for. So let's see what happens. So cheers. So guys, I'm at the location, and they're preparing the food. So I'm gonna wait here, and if you want to check this place out, I'm gonna like pan around the camera so that you could see this place really well. So let's pan the camera. So this is the Lassi Corner. As there is written, the thing is like mirrored because cool, nah, this is mirrored. So yeah, this is the particular place, and they've got very good sitting arrangement and stuff. So this is just on the particular road, which is a very main road in my city. So yes, this is the particular place, and that is, by the way, my ex's coaching class. So I know this place very well. So yeah, this is the particular place, and I'm gonna get the order and I'm gonna get moving. So I'll have to wait around 11:52 and PM, right? 11:52 PM, and after that I'm gonna get my order and I'm gonna go deliver it. And since it's gonna be there are like shakes or something, it's gonna be liquid. So I've got this bag, and this bag is like not having that much space to particularly carry 3 drinks. So let's see what I'm gonna do, and let's meet you there. Cool. I've got my last order for the day. These are gonna be 3 smoothies, I guess. And this is the manager of this place, and he's a very delightful guy because he's actually doing a lot of people a lot of favors at this hour of the night. So I'm really glad we are. Thank you for the order. Thank you. Guys, I've got my 5th order with me, and here's the order. Yeah, and I'm gonna deliver it to the guys, and we've got 3 drinks, so I hope that I don't spill it out, you know, inside the bag. So let's see. I'll be back when I get there. Cool. Driving time. So guys, I've arrived at my 5th location. Day 1, 5th delivery. I'm going very good. I just need to particularly find the stairs. And this is I've got the elevator. So let's go in with the elevator, guys. And I've been to this place for the first time, so it was like quite hard for me to find it out. But I've made it. Yes, I've made it. So let's get to the guy who ordered for this and make some people smile. Cheers, guys. So guys, I've delivered for the 5th time in the day, and I'm glad that I did. I did make some people smile, and they were quite happy receiving the food. And this is the elevator. So bye bye elevator. Here's a pool, as you can see, chilling out like this. Cool. So the thing is, I'm gonna go try to get another order if I can, and if I can't, I'm okay for the day because I've already done it. Like I've already gone through my tasks, you know, that particular thing which I had to do. Oh, I'm sorry. So this is my life. So yeah, I've delivered 5 orders for the day on day 1. So it has been going great till now. So let's see if I can get any orders after this, because it's already 11:30 and Zomato is gonna be open up until 12. So let's see if anybody is hungry and we can help them fill up their tummy. Cool, guys. See you later. So guys, I've got my 6th order for the day. I've got only 5 fingers, so you count 1 for me. And I've got a friend here. So this guy has been doing it for like 4 months. And abhi aapka naam? Yogen. So this is Yogen Kumar Sahu ji, and this is another guy we have got. Bhaiya hi bol do please camera ko. Hi. So what's your name bhaiya? Vivek bhaiya. तो भैया आप कब से कर रहे हो? 2 मंथ हो गया. तो ये मेरा पहला ही दिन है. सब सीनियर्स हैं मेरे, तो सॉरी सर, like I did any bad to you. So guys, this is my 6th order for the day. I'm gonna deliver it and let's see what happens next. So cheers to that. Cheers. You can see it's already 11:45 and things are like really going good here. There are a lot of people who are eating their food. So yes, this is gonna be my last order for the day, and let's see where I want to go. Let's see where they particularly want me to go. So I'm gonna be here for like some time. It's quite crowded right now, so I don't think I'm gonna get my order around 11:55 because that was my time. So let's see what happens next, and I'm gonna go after this. So cheers to the last ride, guys. First day, last ride. Cool. So guys, I've made a lot of friends. As you can see, there are a lot of people standing behind me, and they're all waiting for their orders. And I've got my 6th order for the day. So yeah, let's see what happens next. And I'm gonna deliver it, and after that I think I'm not gonna get any orders because it's already 11:39 and these guys are gonna be open around 12 o'clock. So yeah, this can be my last order because the pickup time which I have got is 11:55. So this is gonna be my last order for the day, guys. And after that I'm gonna get to my home, eat some good food myself because I've been hungry and I need to get to my home. My mother is gonna be screaming at me because it's the first day. So let's see what happens next. And first day, so it's good, right? So let's get back to you next day after this order completes. Cool, guys. So guys, I've finished my 6th order for the day. I've got only 5 fingers. So yeah, I've finished my 6th order for the day. Since my battery is too low, it's around 7%. So they're like, I need to charge my battery again to particularly get online. But it's okay, like it's already 11:54. So they're gonna be taking orders around 11:59. And the bad thing which happened today is this: I've got only 3 minutes left for my daily target to be completed. But okay, cool. Next day I can be better than this. So guys, I'm gonna be signing off for today. Cheers. Have a good night. Happy Diwali, guys.